the swing plate unit on the left side. First of all, we take a look at the problem inside. After switching on the printer, the gears of the fuser do not rotate. That's bad, and that's the reason for the paper jam. How to fix it? Step 1. Plug the power cable off. Step 2. Remove the fuser. Step 3. Move the swing plate unit a few times up and down and put it finally in position down. Step 4. Replace the fuser again. Make sure that it's fixed on both sides. Step 5. Reconnect the power cable and turn the printer on. That's it. Enjoy!